फारूक साहब, in terms of PSX, अगर हम बात करते हैं तो you're basically also managing these stock brokerage companies, and there has been recently a number of punitive actions that have been taken against stockbroker firms. Now, my question to you is that do you think that when it comes to punitive action, that is evolving? We keep hearing that quite often, that FATF has been asking Pakistan to ensure dissuasive sanctions against non-compliant institutions. But do you think that the punitive regime will also bring a balance in terms of ensuring compliance within brokerage firms? Or do you think culture creation will be a slightly more important aspect to look at? And how are you trying to maintain a balance on that?
Sure. Thank you, Ji. I'll quickly answer your question. I know we are under pressure of time, but there are one or two points that I think are important to highlight. The regime that came, as Mahin just mentioned, 2018 में जो securities law, AML or CFT के लिए pass किया गया, we have to make sure that all capital market participants are compliant with that. And we've done about 100 thematic reviews of different participants since then. And if there is clear non-compliance, there is quite clear what actions and punitive actions, as you've said, need to be taken, and those need to be taken. But at the same time, we have to be very proactive. We have to make sure that we help the participants understand, and we've done a lot of training, a lot of information sharing to help them prepare and to help them prepare how they deal with their clients and customers. And here I'd just like to add that not just the banking sector in Pakistan, the penetration is high, but not anywhere near as high as it should be. But the non-banking sector penetration and financial inclusion is even low, whether it's insurance, whether it's asset management, whether it's brokerage industry or capital markets broadly. So these new rules and regulations have come at a particularly at a time where the industries were just starting to grow. So I think what is really important is that all of us, while there is no two ways or question about the implementation of such regulations, but we have to do them in a customer-friendly, customer-centric manner. Otherwise, we run the risk of further slowing down the penetration of important industries like insurance, asset management, capital markets, etc. But at the same time, not only slowing that down, but also excluding the kind of people that we really want to bring in. People who may not be so educated, people who may not be so digital friendly, whether it's the elderly, whether it's because of gender issues. So, जो हम ये काम करें, we have to in the end comply, but do it in a very focused, customer-centric manner, and which is not always the case. Many times you see forms and requirements coming straight from a lawyer's office and being given to a customer. And we have to have a process internally for the banks, for the non-banking financial institutions, कि वो जो requirements are translated and done in a manner which is easy for the customer. So for example, we've reduced our forms for account opening from about 15 pages down to about 2 pages, while still complying in a customer-friendly manner with all the legal requirements. Thank you.
Thank you.